for today's video, we are camping.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many.
We wanted to enjoy the last few weeks of sunshine this summer, so we decided to go camping in a hamlet near where we live called Bottrel. And this is a vlog all about that adventure.
So the first thing on our list would be building the tent. We got the tent. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Look at what you did. Now we're tangled. Got the small hammer. This is our tent, and we've already set up inside. Dogs are already there. Hello! And then we have an extra mattress here that won't fit inside, so it's gonna have to stay outside. It's okay because we can hang out there. Then here's the rest of the stuff. We cooked food already at the house because there's a fire ban in effect, so we can't really cook here. But if it was allowed, there are like places here where you can, do some barbecue and stuff. There's so many wildfires around Canada this summer. There's a fire ban, so you can't really start a fire when you're camping outside. You can't do a bonfire or cook outside with fire. If you had propane, that would work, but we didn't bring any. We didn't want to cook outside anymore. We just cooked everything at home, and then we brought them here, so it's all ready to eat. So we are almost done setting up the tent, and once that's done, then we're gonna grab some lunch. It's really nice today because it's only us here in this campground. Like, we're the only tent. The rest of the campers that I see are in RVs, so they're quite far because they're on a different area of the campground. This is where all the tents are supposed to be, and we're the only tent here right now, which is great. Hopefully it stays that way throughout the whole day. I don't think this is a very popular place for camping. That's why not a lot of people come here. This is about 30 minutes away from where we live. This isn't a national park. This isn't a tourist spot. Hence, it's less visited by people, but that is the perks of staying in this campground. You really get to connect with nature and just enjoy quietness and peacefulness. That's the purpose of camping anyway, right? Like for you to be able to just enjoy some peace and quiet. This is my third time camping. The first time was in Banff National Park, and that was a very different experience because we did that near winter and that was really cold. I would never recommend camping in the winter time, especially if you're a newbie. This time it's completely summer. It's about 20 plus degrees right now, so it's really warm and we're definitely gonna enjoy this camping trip.
그대 미소에 난 취한 것 같아 자꾸만 웃음이 나 어린아이 장난 같아.
This is our food. So we have chicken skin, java rice, chicken and pork inasal, dinakdakan rice, some leftover pierogies. We are gonna go around the campground and I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that's here. We got the bridge.
This is a good day as any.
Here are some more campgrounds. Over there are the washrooms and a little playground.
And I can feel the sun on my skin. Beginning to thought.
Look at this beautiful road. There were horses here a while ago. So I guess that's a stable. It must be a stable. Look how peaceful. We are now walking to go to convenience store. This is a very old convenience store. I think it's about 180 plus years old. So I'm gonna tell it's right over there.
The horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car.
That is the convenience store.
Feel the wind on my face. Oh, that is
Established 1901.
Hiya.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. We found a good spot. I think we're 14.
Perfect. Okay. Sorry, we checked your.
That's okay. Look at this. Look at that.
Post box.
Wow. Did you just turn this into a liquor store when you bought it, or was
No,
it
it
a
was-
liquor store
Yeah.
before you even got it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then there's actually a basement down there, and it expands all the way down here. It's super high ceilings. And this is actually This is a building itself. It's a brick building. I can take you in here. This is it's a mess right now, but so this is actually a brick building, and then this is a wood structure here, and this used to be a creamery or a distribution creamery because this whole area was cows. It wasn't really horses, and so we'd sell milk, ice cream, whatever that was milk related, cheese,
Yeah.
right? And then I won't take you in here because it really stinks. This is a whole another. Actually, you can probably see it from the front anyway. It stinks. Sorry. So this here, so we have a hardware in here. And this place, when I took it over, it was from floor to ceiling full of stuff. You could barely move in here. And so our aspirations, this is my dog, Vito.
Hello.
So this place here, what I'm hoping to do is, so bottrel used to be bottrel, and this area was owned by two brothers from Montreal. They were really wealthy furriers in the late 1800s, and more than likely, I'm assuming they probably traded with the First Nations here.
Okay.
And so what I want to do is I want to make it into a whiskey den, because if they're Montreal boys, they more than likely drank a lot of whiskey and wealthy. So I'm going to make this into like dripping with masculinity. It's going to have pelts on the wall, like a nice long bar. I'm going to have a fireplace in here. And it's going to be called the Whiskey Den because, like I said, my grandfather and my great-grandfather, their names were William Dice Jr. and William Dice Sr., so WD, WD.
Wow. Yeah. So I found a quiet little corner, kind of a little bit away from where our tent is located because the dogs are really noisy, so I can't vlog properly. So far, I'm really enjoying our stay here at the campsite. We were just talking to the owner of this campsite, and turns out they just bought it 6 weeks ago, so they weren't the original owners of the place when we camped here many years ago, and they're trying to do a little bit of renovation in the whole campground. You know, they're planning to build a coffee shop at that general store that we went to a while ago. They're gonna build like a whiskey place. They're definitely planning a lot of renovations in the campground to make it more enjoyable for people to come here. They're even planning to maybe rent it out for weddings, which I think is a great idea because it's a beautiful place to get married at. So yeah, I'm really happy that we found ourselves here again. I would say it was busier when we were here pre-pandemic. There's only one other RV that's here with us right now, and this is a huge campground, so it's definitely quiet today. I don't know if that's just because it's the weekday, people have work, because we're currently camping on a Monday. It's quieter today and I like that. Definitely not complaining. The only caveat here, I think, would be the toilets. It's a portable toilet that they have there, and let's just say it has seen better days. That's the only thing I don't like about campgrounds in general. I wish there were better toilets, but I guess, you know, that's the camping life and that's what goes with it. It's not supposed to be convenient. It's supposed to be like the bare minimum for you to get connected to the nature. Other than that, I really like where we're at. I wish I could do more camping. Not really an outdoorsy nature kind of gal. I wish I was, because living here in Canada definitely has its perks, and if you're a nature lover, you would love it here, at least where I live, because I live near the mountains. I live near Banff, so it's definitely a place for the outdoorsy people. I don't have that bone in me, but every time I get the opportunity to do some outdoorsy stuff, of course I take advantage of it. So yeah, that is a little update for you guys of where we're at, and I hope to show you the rest of our camping trip.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking with you every everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment.
I don't think we'll have a light tonight.
Forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
It is going to rain soon, so we are packing all our stuff inside the tent. So that's where we'll be staying for the rest of the night. I am gonna throw. Oh my god, is that a squirrel? I think it's a squirrel. I'm gonna throw this in the garbage so the bears don't smell us. Oh my gosh, there's a squirrel. Are brushing our teeth before we go inside.
Are you going to bed or? I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble. Ang balas naman pagkanon.
Say hi, guys. This is
degrees and sunny. It's just the way I always wanted. So, but I got the upside.
It is raining again. This is our morning. It is around, it's about 7 in the morning, and we're trying to pack stuff because it's raining. Our tent was dripping last night, so we can't stay for long. We can't even have breakfast because again it's raining, so we can't really dine outside. So now we're just trying to pack everything, go home and eat breakfast from home. So this is me just packing some of the stuff that we still have left in the tent. Good. It's good that we were able to pack the rest of our stuff yesterday. So not much needs to be packed today, just the beddings mostly. This is our situation. Everything here is wet from last night's rain. Our chairs are wet. What we have here. A dog is being. This is the empty tent. And now we are going to disassemble everything.